manje nganza kwethu ngithatha isinqumo sokuthi bacelela abaholi noma ukhansela ngitshekile futhi ngiyecela ukuyinikela ngoba lento yokumashi that is so as South Africa with the zero impact of a change it will cost us.
Say hey look out. Bafethu hey ngaza kwethu esekhwele umsomluko mhla 27 July 2026 na kanjani ke nganza kwethu ngithi ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngomhlukumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo engaphansi kwa Transnet. Siyathemba ke ukuthi umlayezo sodlulisile uzozwakala. Njoba ngikhuluma ke nje lezi ndaba ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1000 marches across South Africa akatenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi ke elungumncamla juqu futhi likhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile as much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa, iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa abafowethu isilitha nabo yonke lento ukuthi dadewethu uMangobese noMfowethu Phakela abalazi ijele and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy and everything.